Hi, I'm Elaine. CountryHomeandHeart.net is my website, and today I'm going to make an old-fashioned buttermilk pie. Now I've never really even made this before, so I've had the recipe for years. This came actually out of one of those old-fashioned cookbooks that I like to use. I think this was a church lady's or something, but anyway, I have seen this recipe a lot and always had wanted to try it, and I thought this would probably be a good time to give this recipe a try. And I'm gonna mix it in my Ninja, which might be a little different too. So anyway, let's get started. I'm going to turn you around here so you can see. Okay, and I have my Ninja right here. Okay, there we go. Alright, and so let's get started, and we're going to start adding these ingredients in here. Okay, so I'm going to start with 1 cup of whole buttermilk. This isn't the low-fat variety. Again, this is whole buttermilk. And that's what we're going to start with. And to that, we are going to add 1 1/2 cups of sugar. So let me just get that added real quick. This is a 1/2 cup measure, so I've got to put 3 of these in. Okay, and there is my 1.5 cups. Okay, we'll just move that out of the way. And then to that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. And we're just going to dump that right in. This is going to be really, really, really easy to do. Not going to take long at all in the Ninja. Okay, and now I have 4 large eggs, and I'm just going to dump these eggs in right on top of everything. So there's the eggs. Okay, and the next ingredient is 1/2 cup melted butter, but the butter was brought back down to room temperature. So this is completely cooled down and back to room temperature, because we don't want the hot butter to be poured in there and then have it cook the eggs. That wouldn't be a good thing. So we're not gonna. So just make sure that once you melt your butter, you cool it back down. Okay, and we're gonna add just a tablespoon of lemon juice. We don't want to add any more than that, otherwise this would wind up tasting like a lemon chess pie, and we wouldn't want that to taste like a lemon pie. Okay, and the last ingredient that we're going to add is 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. So let me get that put in. There we are. Okay, and there's our vanilla. And there is our buttermilk pie ready to be mixed together. So I'm going to put the lid on my Ninja. Okay, and we're plugged in, so let's turn it on. Okay. Let me release that and fix that. There we go. It won't turn on if you don't have that lid just exactly right, because it's some kind of a safety. It's a safety feature that the Ninja has that won't let it start if it's won't let it start if the lid isn't on it just exactly right. Okay, so I'm going to start this out just on low. And we're going to speed it up a little bit to speed it to medium. Let me grab a spatula real quick. And I'm going to kind of get that down off the sides there a little. Uh-oh. Alright, let's put that back now. right, and we're just going to pulse that a little bit more. And I think we got it. Okay, and I'm going to pour this into a 9-inch pie shell, and I've had my oven preheating to 350 degrees, and I think it's going to take about 40 minutes. So what you would want to do is when it starts getting good and brown, and after maybe 30 minutes, you want to check it with a toothpick, and if the toothpick comes out clean, then it is done. So I'm going to go ahead and get this in the oven, and we'll be back when it's done. Bye for now. Okay, we're back, and our buttermilk pie did get done, and it came out really nice. I'm going to turn this around to show you. I did cut part of it away because I wanted you to be able to see how creamy it came out because I couldn't show you that if I'd left a whole pie there. So it came out nice and creamy, and you can see the crust did come out nice and flaky, and so overall it came out very good. It does not taste like buttermilk, it tastes more like custard. So I think what I'll do next time, I think just a hint of nutmeg would probably set that off and make that a really, really good pie. And I think my husband is going to enjoy that pie tomorrow. And I hope that you'll try this recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out for you and what you thought of it. So you all have a great evening, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.